Okay guys, I was out walking the dog at the park and I see a drone that was flying around, one that I'd never seen before. Thought it was looking a bit strange. So I got my phone out and I found it very hard to take pictures of it. But what you have here is screenshots and zoomed in on this drone that was flying about, a little bit of video and or whatever it was, whether it was a drone, I don't know, you tell me. Could it be an alien? Could it be a drone? Could it be something else? You put in the comments, what do you think it is? But it definitely doesn't look like some ordinary drone to me. It seems bigger, larger than the average drone you would see flying around in the sky. It had a greenish blue light with a bright white light, and it was long, elongated. As you can see, it's flashing away there. It's a couple of times where I've managed to pause the video and zoom in on the object itself, trying to adjust the brightness levels and everything else. And I was quite surprised with what I actually managed to come up with. You'll see at the very end, it actually looks more like an orb, a plasma, rather than something of mechanical origin, solid. It seems a little bit more, I don't know, it's strange. Can't describe it. Well, I can describe it, just don't know what it is. As you can see, I'm finding it very hard. It's flying just below the houses, off in the distance there. And this is what I ended up zooming in on in the still shot.